best basketball court. And you know, I was thinking about that, but this is perfect to do free line skate as well. Right in the middle. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Second outward shot. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, two in a row. Ooh. I love this court so much. It's so well made. It's amazing. So for real, it's probably like the best court I ever been in. You know? What a beautiful gift today, though. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Like what I try to do is difficult because this is outside of the basketball court. You know? Oh, and I squeaked my foot and it went in. Ooh! Output shot from the side. Shoot it to the lead. Pow! With obstacle around me, but hey, like, it's the perfect place to do it. But I still want to put one more on that side, but it's gonna be more far. Oh! Two output shots in a row, 2 times. Ooh, like I just like ecstatic, you know, like what is the chance that that happened? How much divinely guided I need to be to score like this, and like scoring from the side, and when there is obstacle, it's like another level where it's more difficult than if there was no obstacle. So the fact that I was able to put 2 for the first time ever playing here, that blows my mind. I'm done. So it's the first time that I'm gonna test doing the freeline skate with my new shoes, and it's the first time that I'm gonna perform here, and it's been a while I didn't do freeline skate, like over a week. So let's see how it goes. After this epic output shot from the side. Oh, in a combo move. Epic rebound. Oh, in a combo move. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, that was so fun. But I got to admit, after this basketball performance, like my hand is cold. The water is wet, it's cold. Yeah, the water is cold. So my hand is frozen right now. So doing the freeline skate, I really push my boundaries to another dimension. but I cannot do this a long time. So I did that here, but there is other spot too I want to try. Let's do this. So close. Oh yeah. Oh, you see, I was like, oh, I'm gonna finish like this. I just realized that there is a rail. I cannot. I need to do it. With my frozen hand. Ah. Oh yeah, baby. And I'm done. That blows my mind. I threw it so hard, so far into the unknown, into the eternal, and I land on it. Woo, the magic of the unknown. It's everywhere. It's everywhere in everything. You just need to have a strong faith and master only one God. The right one. The one that is for Earth, not pollute Earth, not pollute your system inside of you. You know, being kind, being moving your body, moving your energy. Don't corrupt your system with drugs, alcohol, cigarette. Like this is the opposite of taking care of your temple. So take care of your temple. And you know, spend time in nature. That's what I do. That's how I'm able to deliver this epic performance in this really awesome spot, best spot ever. So I cannot stand up. So I need to like undress and dress back up, but with my back bent. But you know, like in when it's pouring rain like this, what I just did right now, that was the best option, and it's so peaceful. Like the only thing I hear is the sound of the water, and like the water, I don't know why it's brown, but I know that here they test the water, and like well, it's been a long time, but a woman say to me that, you know, when they test the water here, it was clean, the water. So and it's been a while, like it was not like that before, but like I know that when I go in the water, like the water doesn't smell, and I know that it's really cold. So you know, like I have cold hands before. I don't have cold hands anymore, so you know, it helped me. And you know, I still, you know, use it to cleanse myself, whatever the condition of the water or the color of the water is. I use what I got with what I got, you know, and I'm so grateful. So now I'm gonna do my meditation right here. Oh yes. So I trim all this here on both sides under light rain, and all this on both sides, and like it was really like narrow here. You could pass only one behind each other, but the thing is that all the rest you can walk side by side. So it was only here in the hill it was really bad. So I take my little cutter and you know, probably took me, because I make it really perfect, really beautiful, maybe 30 minutes. Without my glove, I just like, I want to feel, I want to feel my hand with the cutter to make sure that I make it properly. And yeah, and I stop here. But that was a huge crisis, and now it's done. So I'm happy with the result, and I pick up the branch on the ground as well. Yeah, like it was really bad before, not anymore. Now it's really beautiful, and probably more people gonna take this trail here. Before it was so bad that probably most of the people, instead of taking here, they were taking another trail. So now they're gonna be able to enjoy this trail here. Oh yes. So we arrive at the intersection. There is a trail there that goes to the bridge where there is the water, and there is a trail there, there is a trail there, and well, there is a branch here on the ground. But anyway, I trimmed both sides here, and oh, you see, I say this, but there is a branch right there that I need to trim. But after that I'm done for real. I'm gonna go cold plunge after, but yeah, I need to do the beginning of that trail here that lead to where I trimmed early on.